So today I'm going to show you how to use Teams on Microsoft Word. Take for example, after using the general theme of Microsoft Word to type a document and you just want to style it up, make it look different from every other person's own. What you just have to do is go to the design option over here. Then that's where you can see the different themes you can use. So majorly you can always get the themes here. So you can see there's the Office, there's the Facet, there's the Integral, Iron, Slice, Retrospect, Organic. So when you click on any one of them, sub-themes other them under those major themes are the ones you see over here. So you can always choose anyone just to just tweak it and just style your work on Microsoft Word. So that's just how this one. Majorly is always Office. You see when you click on Office, the major one is always this first one. This first one is always the major one most people use just to style things up and make things interesting. You can choose any of the teams. Thank you very much.